Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 5-year-old gifts is probably one of the most exciting shopping experiences for parents, relatives, and friends. At this age, girls are developing their personalities and interests, making the gift selection process both fun and challenging. In this video, we'll explore some fantastic gift ideas that are perfect for 5-year-old girls, covering a range of interests and price points to help you find the ideal present. Number 5. PinkSheep Little Girl Jewel Rings, 24 rings. These beautiful rings are perfect for little girls who love to play dress up. Each ring is adjustable, ensuring a comfortable fit for any finger. With 24 different designs, there are no duplicates, so every ring is a special surprise. It's a great way to encourage imaginative play and creativity. These rings are ideal for pretend play, allowing girls to feel like princesses or fashion icons. They can mix and match them with their outfits. The adjustable design means these rings can grow with the child. It's a gift that will bring joy for a long time. This set of rings comes in a lovely box, making it a perfect gift. It's a treasure trove of sparkle and fun for any little girl. What we like? These rings are perfect for sparking imagination and encouraging creative play. If your little one loves to dress up and express herself, this is a fantastic choice. She can mix and match the rings to create her own unique style. What people say? The rings are really cute, colorful, and fun, which makes them perfect for kids who love dress up and accessories. I like that they're adjustable, so they fit her fingers comfortably and can be worn on different fingers without any issues. The box is also a big plus. It keeps everything organized and makes it easy for her to pick which one she wants without losing them. Number 4. Seckton Kids Selfie Camera, Pink. This camera has autofocus, 8.0 megapixels, and 1080p video. It greatly improves photo definition, allowing them to capture joyful moments. Kids can even add fun frames to their photos. The camera features a dual camera configuration, making selfies easy. It also includes a portable lanyard for easy carrying. It has a video and voice recorder for more creative play. The camera can continuously take photos for 1 to 2 hours on a full charge. It comes with a USB data line and a 32GB SD card to store thousands of photos. This camera uses high-quality, soft plastic that is safe and comfortable for children. The shockproof shell provides effective protection against drops. It's a great gift for kids aged 3 to 10. Children love taking photos with this cute camera. They can capture scenes or animals in nature and experience the fun with family. What we like? This camera is designed with kids in mind, offering a dual camera setup for easy selfies and a shockproof design to withstand accidental drops. If you're looking for a gift that encourages creativity and captures precious memories, this is a great option. It's perfect for budding photographers. What people say? It's easy to use and the picture quality is even pretty decent. Has fun little games they can play on it also. It is the perfect size for his little hands and it came with a lanyard which is great to help from dropping it. It has cute little filters and borders that you can use. Number 3. Purple Ladybug Unicorn Water Bottle Kit for Girls. Transform an ordinary water bottle into a dazzling unicorn masterpiece. This kit comes with sparkly gemstones, colorful stickers, and charming accessories. It's a fun way for kids to express themselves while staying hydrated. Inside, you'll find everything needed for a magical crafting experience. The kit includes an aluminum water bottle, unicorn charms, sticker sheets, and a wristlet. There are even extra stickers for later use. Delight any unicorn fan with this unique gift. It's fun, creative, and practical. This is a perfect present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a thoughtful gift you'll be proud to give. Kids will love customizing their water bottles with waterproof stickers. The leak-proof lid is easy for small hands to open and close. Plus, the wide mouth opening makes cleaning quick and easy. Crafted with BPA-free, non-toxic materials, this water bottle is designed with your child's safety in mind. Every product is rigorously tested to meet strict safety standards. Your kids' well-being is our priority. What we like? This kit lets kids personalize their own water bottle with fun stickers and charms. If your child loves unicorns and enjoys crafting, this is a perfect blend of fun and functionality. She can stay hydrated in style while expressing her creativity. What people say. The art set has a lot of different things to do. The set has a lot of different things to do. This is a great gift for any 5-year-old girl. Number 2. PlayShifu Orboot Earth, Interactive Globe for Kids. This interactive globe brings the world to life. It allows children to explore diverse cultures, animals, and global wonders through augmented reality. With over 1,000 facts and interactive games, this toy is perfect for early learners and budding STEM enthusiasts. It encourages a love for discovery and learning. It helps develop key skills in geography, problem solving, and memory. This educational toy is ideal for children aged 4 to 10, making learning fun and engaging. Encourage hands-on discovery with this interactive globe. It's perfect for use in homeschool settings and classrooms, promoting active learning. Collect fun stickers and travel the world with the included passport. This unique learning experience sparks imagination and supports an early learning journey. Enjoy interactive globe games, quizzes, and activities that keep kids engaged for years. It's a valuable STEM toy that supports early learning and lasting developmental growth. The box includes a 10-inch globe, passport, stamps, country flag stickers, and a detailed help guide. The app is free to download for interactive fun. What we like. This globe brings the world to life with augmented reality, offering a fun and educational experience. If you're looking for a gift that combines learning with interactive play, this is an excellent choice. It's a great way to spark curiosity about the world. What people say. The art set has a wide variety of art supplies, including markers, crayons, colored pencils, and paint, providing everything needed for creative projects. The included carrying case is a convenient feature for storing and transporting all the art supplies. The product is designed to be a great gift for 5-year-old girls, suggesting it is age-appropriate and appealing to this demographic. Number 1. GOOPOW Kids Camera, fun gift for 3 to 8-year-olds. Looking for a great gift for children aged 3 to 8? This camera is perfect. It's designed with kids in mind, making it a fun and safe choice for any occasion. This upgraded camera includes a selfie mode. It's made with environment-friendly materials and features a 2.0 LCD screen. It's the perfect mini video camera for kids. This camera takes up to 1080p videos and has 8x digital zoom. It helps children capture clear and wonderful moments. It's easy to use and provides great image quality. It comes with photo capture, video recording, playback, and even games. It also has scene selections to make photos even more fun. You can easily share photos and videos with family and friends. It has a built-in rechargeable battery and includes a 32GB SD card. Just turn it on and start taking photos. Remember to charge it with adult supervision. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry. A lanyard is included so kids can hang it around their neck. It's perfect for capturing fun moments on the go. What we like. This camera offers HD video recording and comes with fun features like games and scene selections. If you want a durable and easy-to-use camera for your child to capture their adventures, this is a great pick. It's perfect for on-the-go fun. What people say. It is easy to use for little hands. Pictures actually turn out pretty good for what it is. The design is adorable, and the soft cartoon cover makes it easy for her to hold and carry around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.